Torrential slide value equivalent to $11.5194 a coin. The present reach. $11.3230, $11.7591. The earlier day close. $11.4590. The change was plus 0.0604, plus 0.53%. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avax to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Initially cost at $11.46. Most extreme cost $15.76, least cost $10.73. The normal for the month $12.74. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $13.02, change for November 13.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at $13.02. Most extreme cost $13.56, least cost $11.22. The normal for the month $12.47. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $12.06, change for December 7.4%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $12.06. Greatest cost $12.06, least cost $9.42. The normal for the month $10.92. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $10.13, change for January 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at $10.13. Greatest cost $10.67, least cost $9.27. The normal for the month $10.01. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $9.97, change for February 1.6%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $9.97. Greatest cost $9.97, least cost $8.56. The normal for the month $9.43. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $9.20, change for spring 7.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at $9.20. Greatest cost $9.20, least cost $7.19. The normal for the month $8.33. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.73, change for April 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Before all else cost at $7.73. Most extreme cost $7.98, least cost $6.94. The normal for the month $7.53. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $7.46, change for May 3.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $7.46. Greatest cost $8.29, least cost $7.21. The normal for the month $7.68. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $7.75, change for June 3.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. To start with cost at $7.75. Greatest cost $7.75, least cost $6.25. The normal for the month $7.12. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.72, change for July 13.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset cost at $6.72. Most extreme cost $8.35, least cost $6.72. The normal for the month $7.40. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $7.80, change for August 16.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. To start with cost at $7.80. Greatest cost $7.80, least cost $6.09. The normal for the month $7.06. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.55, change for September 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place cost at $6.55. Greatest cost $6.55, least cost $5.12. The normal for the month $5.93. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $5.50, change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at $3.45. Most extreme cost $4.28, least cost $3.45. The normal for the month $3.80. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4, change for December 15.9%. Avax United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Initially cost at $4.00. Most extreme cost $4.96, least cost $4. The normal for the month $4.40. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $4.64, change for January 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at $4.64. Most extreme cost $5.62, least cost $4.64. The normal for the month $5.04. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.25, change for February 13.1%. Avax United States dollars expectations for WALK 2026. At the outset cost at $5.25. Most extreme cost $5.25, least cost $4.10. The normal for the month $4.75. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $4.41, change for spring 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $4.41. Greatest cost $4.41, least cost $3.44. The normal for the month $3.99. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $3.70, change for April 16.1%. Avax United States dollars expectations for May 2026. To start with cost at $3.70. Greatest cost $4.59, least cost $3.70. The normal for the month $4.07. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $4.29, change for May 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place cost at $4.29. Greatest cost $5.33, least cost $4.29. The normal for the month $4.72. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.98, change for June 16.1%. Avax United States dollars